Okay. Yeah,
Noted.
fine.
Noted. Noted. Hi, doctor. Blessed evening. How are you today?
Blessed evening to all. It is an awesome day, even though there is raining, but we know our spirit can't be matched. Okay.
Yes, doctor. We are live now on YouTube as well. So, warm welcome to all our audience. And here we are on a topic of series of topic on empower ourselves. And this is going to be a awesome experience for all our viewers. So, why don't you have the honor of introducing what you are going to discuss with us today, doctor?
Wonderful. So, can you go? Start? Okay. So,
We
hi
are live,
everyone.
doctor, already. We can go.
Okay. Hi everyone. Blessed evening to all. So, before I move on any further, let me ask you one simple question. How many of you in your life is suffering or has the experience of some kind of pain issue related to your joints, muscles, tendons, or you have some kind of diseases, maybe indigestion, maybe hyperacidity? I think most of us have this experience of some kind of pain or have indigestion or hyperacidity or even allergic reactions. So those kind of things are very common nowadays. But think about 50 years back or 60 years back or even 100 years to 100 years. These things was not so relevant. Why this happening? Because we changed our lifestyle. We all know that we are nowadays very much engaged with social media, or our job is like that, this job is like that. We need to engage ourselves for a long time in front of some computer screen, and there is lack of exercise also. So all these things are contributing to one single symptom, that is pain in your joints. And today we are going to discuss that how easily this can be managed. Okay, you may have gone through some drug, or you may have gone through some surgical, or someone has give you the advice to go for surgical intervention. But today I am going to tell you how you can easily take care of yourself, take care of those pain. Okay, and it is very easy thing you can do on yourself. So, and the most important thing, we are going to discuss one simple technique which is going to treat your knee joint pain. I know in India, knee joint pain, especially in our mothers and sisters, knee joint pain is very common. So today, at the end, we are going to demonstrate one simple technique by which you can remove your knee joint pain within just a moment. Okay, so be with us at the end of this thing. And for myself, I'm Dr. Tanmay Khan. I'm an Ayurveda specialist and also an osteopath. That is why I am now today want to share my experience with you. So it is about 20 years back, or maybe more. I was suffering from an allergic disorder. And being in my profession, I have tried all kinds of medicines that possible. And yes, that give me some kind of cure. But what I was looking is the permanent solution, how I can get rid of this allergic reaction for forever from my life. And in search of that process, I came to know a beautiful process, healing technique which I applied on myself and got cured of allergy, which was almost incurable for last 20 years, for last 2 decades or more. But I got cured within 7 days. And now my friends who are very much aware of that, how that condition was playing with my life, they are also astonished by this effect, that how with this 7 days treatment, I have cured myself from all those pain, burning sensation. So that is how I started to practice the simple techniques to take care of our body. And I remove all the medicines. I stop all the medicine. Even today, I also practice all those techniques, but I don't need to take any medicine. I can live a life without any medicine. And that gives me a lot of satisfaction and happiness, because my life is now no longer dependent on my medicines. I can live free. That is the thing I am here to offer you. With my expertise for more than 15 years on this field, I can assure that if you are applying these techniques properly on yourself, you will get amazing results. So, in this meantime, you all are much curious what is this technique is called and how you can apply on yourself. So, let me tell you, this technique is a very simple technique, but you will all agree that every simple thing has profound effect. That is why we are here to share our experience with you. And if you all are agreed to keep this at least 15 minutes right now from your life to know how you can live a life with your freedom of choice, you can live. There it is, the I want to help you out. So this technique is known as myofascial manipulation therapy. You may heard this thing or you may not have heard about myofascial manipulation therapy. The thing is, our body is made of some kinds of elements. We all know our skin has 7 layers. We all know our body is made of organs, that is liver, your lungs, heart, intestine, everything is functioning together with our brain, and we can live our life. But there is a magical thing created by the nature itself in our body, which is actually holding the key to our health. We are not so much aware of this term of fascia. We are aware of lots of many of terms like muscles, bones, arteries, veins, lymphatics, nerves, but we are not aware of this term of fascia. And you may have this query at this moment. I know what is this fascia and how this fascia manipulation therapy can help you. So let me explain at first what is this fascia. Fascia is a very simple structure in our body. So look at my hand. I'm pinching at this moment. So while I'm pinching, this is skin. Beneath the skin, there is our fascia lying there. Okay. So if I apply all 10% of pressure with my finger on my skin, I am able to move my fascia like this. This is not a fixed system in our body. This can move. And that is why its normal function is so many of importance. It is holding all our organs in its position. It is giving protection to them, also giving passages to our arteries, vessels, veins, nerves, lymphatics, so that our body can perform its function normally. And when this fascia is somehow lost this ability to move freely. So this will act as a barrier or an resistant. And where this is resistant is there will be disease in your body. You may not feel it. You may have some other symptoms, but that disease has already started. And that is why we need to take care of our fascia. If your fascia around your lungs is somehow adhered, so you will feel breathing difficulties. Also, if it is stuck somehow around your liver, so all kind of digestion issue you can have. And remember, liver is not only responsible for proper digestion, liver has more than 500 jobs to do to sustain our body. So if there is more, somehow your liver is not able to perform at its best. So what kind of diseases you will attract? For my knowledge, you can attract every kind of diseases. And who wants to be the diseased person for their lifetime? Who wants to take medicines, those bitter pills each and every day? I'm not kind of that person. That is why I choose this option. And I'm feeling awesome. I'm feeling great. With each and every day, my body is changing, and I can feel that my body is regaining its normalcy. It's regaining its function properly. I can now feel totally painless life I can lead. And for that, I only just need to do check my fascia and take care of my fascia. That is the simple thing I can offer to you. And for me, that if you want to experience this wonderful science, so be there with us, because at the last moment, we are going to demonstrate one simple technique how you can manipulate your fascia around your knee joint and you can subdue your knee pain.
Doc, I have one question. It's so amazing. I hope it is okay if I ask you a question. Uh, is it like only I heard when I was, talking to you for the first time? I also heard from other places that it is not only for curing, but it also for beautifying or bringing the natural beauty out of our physical appearance. Is that so, as well? As a lady, I'm very interested.
Yes, absolutely, it is possible. Okay, we are for beautification, we only focus on our skin, outer skin, and we are doing every kind of possible things which is needed. But what about if your fascia is somehow adhered with your large intestine, and because of that, your digestion is not happening properly? Because we all know in large intestine, okay, it has this capability to absorb all the essential vitamins and minerals, which is equally important to sustain our life. Okay, so because of that, we need to learn how this fascia actually holding the secret of your normal, good, healthy life. That is the why fascia manipulation has amazing field, and it has lots of benefits, lots of benefits. If you learn this manipulation, it can regenerate your cells on much faster level. That is why you can lead the life you all want, that youthful, joyful happiness you want. You can lead those things. It is actually, there is no magic. Everything is actually related with science, backed by science. I'm not telling from anywhere. Okay, this is absolute science, and this is backed by our normal anatomy and physiology. Earlier days in our medical field, we don't
Yeah.
actually give this importance to fascia. Our only thought was limited to that it is there to hold our organs, and that's all. But nowadays, when we are discovering how this fascia has the most essential role to sustain our health, it has opened up lots of opportunity to medical fields.
Amazing, amazing, doctor. So, people, know, all the audience and viewers, brothers and sisters, we are very happy to have live conversation with you. So, we have posted our WhatsApp message, our Zoom link. So, happy to join and have this conversation together. Doctor, I have one question in terms of when you talk about it, right? Uh, I'm a little complex. I have the understanding of this complexity of human body. I'm not very comfortable with. So, is it necessary that I should have the knowledge about what is what? How easy, rather, let me put the question, how easy is it to learn, practice with you, and do it later on our own?
Look, like this way, consider like this way. If you have knowledge of anatomy and physiology, you will learn much faster. But it doesn't mean that the person who don't know anything, who does not have any knowledge about our anatomy and physiology on the term of medical term, it does not affect them. They can also learn this simple thing because our body is created by the nature, and we all have same kind of structures in our body. It will never happen that my brain is not going to situated here, it is going to be in my knees. It will never happen. My brain is here, and it is also true for every single person living in this world. But yes, we need to be very in mode of learning so that we can learn all these things. There is lots of variations how we can manipulate our organ. So, but at least out of three, if you have learned one single technique, that will give the life you want to lead. It is not so complicated thing. It is very simple thing. And
Wow.
most of the important thing is that we always look our human body in separate segments. Like this is my head, this is my neck, this is my thorax or chest, this is my abdomen. But for fascia, human body is just in a single unit.
Hmm.
It is in single unit. So wherever you are manipulating your fascia, it will directly affect the entire fascia, which is
Hmm.
spread throughout your body. That is the beauty of this therapy.
Amazing, amazing. Waiting, I can't wait to hear more about it and see in action, Doc. Please go ahead.
Okay, as I promised to everyone that we will demonstrate a simple technique by which you can apply on yourself and you can relieve your knee joint pain, because knee joint pain is very common in India, especially for our mothers and sisters. So just now I'm going to demonstrate you that simple technique, and I'm so thankful for all those people who are still attending this live webinar, because they are the true people who actually value their health, because health is your ultimate wealth. So
Absolutely.
I'm going to demonstrate right now. Okay, so can you see everyone? Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
this is my knee joint. Okay, everyone, we have our knee joint. So in front of this there is a bone, a round bone is there. Okay, this bone is called patella. So what I'm going to do with my palm, I'm going to hold my patella like this. So before that, I'm bending my knees towards in front of me, and I'm going to hold my patella like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to rotate this thing from outside to the inside. So from outside to the inside, I'm going to rotate this thing like this. Okay. So you can do on both sides also simultaneously and hold it 30 seconds. I will advise all to perform this technique in sitting position. I am doing on scout position, but I will advise everyone to do this in sitting position. Okay, because while you are doing this in sitting position, it is very easy to manipulate and it will not create any unwanted pressure on your lower back. So you will have this benefit if you are doing this sitting position. Okay, and you all can feel within 30 seconds there is change is already started. You can repeat this for 3 times.
And
Okay.
doctor, is there any breathing we should follow? Is there any breathing we should
No,
follow or any
for this
time?
technique, you don't need any breathing to follow. Okay, just hold your patella and rotate it from outside to the inside.
Got
You
it.
need to rotate. Even you can perform this to your loved ones also if they have knee joint pain.
Okay, got it, got it. It's very nice. In fact,
Very easy.
yeah. After yesterday's marathon, I think it's really feeling good. I was feeling little discomfort with my knee. It's really good. Thank you.
Yeah. So everyone can perform this thing. And that is why I want to spread this knowledge to every single door of our country. Because in our country, it is very easy to get a medicine. And with medicine, we also bought some side effects. That is the ultimate truth. We can't ignore it. Yes, medicine is essential. But what about taking a medicine, you applying all this technique? If you have this pain gone with this technique, now tell me, do you wish to take that medicine?
No.
No.
No, why would I?
So
I can do it with.
that is our vision. That is our vision, that you can lead your life by your choice. It is your choice how you want to live your life, with medicine or without medicine. Medicine is always available, but treat your body as nature has gifted you.
Amazing. Amazing. And how long? You said 3 times. The simple technique. Is it like, can I do it every day or is there any restriction before food, after food? Is there any of those guidelines, doctor?
Yes, it is always recommended to practice before taking any food. So morning is very ideal time. Early morning is very ideal time. All of us has this experience in early morning, just after wake up and from your bed, all we have feel little kind of stiffness in our body. Maybe you have low back pain or not, or maybe you have knee pain or not, but even a normal person also feels some kind of little bit of stiffness in their body. This stiffness is nothing but the stiffness of your fascia. So early morning, if you're practicing this fascia manipulation technique, you are releasing all your organs, all your muscles. You are giving them space to perform to their full capacity.
Yeah, got it, got it. And can we do this kind set of exercises every day?
Yeah, for joint, we can practice each and every manipulation every single morning. Okay. But that doesn't mean that you can't perform in evening. If you have an empty stomach, you can perform all this technique on evening also.
Hmm. And is this like before food, after food? Is there any restriction like that?
Restriction is only that you need to give at least 30 minutes time between
Yeah,
manipulation and your intake of your food.
got it. Got
Because
it,
what
doctor.
is actually happening when we are manipulating at any part of our body, we are restoring that normal blood flow to that organ.
Hmm.
So suddenly there is rush of blood is going to my knees. And if we
Hmm.
are in a meanwhile, if we are engaged with our meal, then this blood flow will direct it towards stomach and liver.
Hmm.
Okay, so there is two different blood flow we are creating, and that will actually hamper your normalcy.
Wow, that's very amazing. Very amazing. So, how long will it take for us to? Okay, let me rephrase the question. Is it like I do it, let's say, for 21 days every alternative days you said, or 10 days once? What was the frequency in which we should repeat this, doctor?
Okay, so fascia manipulation is we are divided in two segments. One
Okay,
segment is for your joints and muscles, and one segment is for all your organs like liver, stomach,
okay.
lungs, large intestine. So for joints and muscle, you can perform each and every day.
Hmm.
But for organs, we need to give at least 7 days to 10 days gap.
Hmm.
We can't
Okay.
perform these techniques each and every day on our organs. We need to give them 7 to 10 days because once we are restoring the normalcy, now the organ is coming back from its unusual position or unusual function to the normalcy. It needs that time.
Hmm. Very
Okay, so
true.
that is why for organs, at least 7 to 10 days gap is necessary. And for all your joints, you can perform each and every day.
Amazing. Amazing, doctor. Doctor, it's time. Any final word from your end till we meet again in our next series with you?
For my end, I will suggest each and everyone to join our Monday session so that we can discuss about how you are at this moment having trouble with your health and how we can help you out with our system, with our science based knowledge that can cure you, that can lead you to the life of your freedom, life of your choice. This is from my side, I can promise to you that come and join us, and also do like, share our channel, because there is where we are going to send different kinds of videos which you can perform easily with your loved ones.
Amazing.
Simple videos which will guide you to perform this manipulation techniques easily. So do subscribe to our channels, My Life, My Voice, and let's just start working. Let's just start working to the beautiful world of the ultimate health.
Amazing, doctor. Thank you so much. I do have one question. Probably we can take it in the next week. You talked about, health. You also mentioned, if I recollect, about certain things about feelings and emotions. So probably in the coming sessions, if you could address how the wellness part, which inclusive of physical state as well as emotional state, with this technique powerfully could give you a balance and a very enriched life.
Absolutely, absolutely. Look, a person who is suffering from any chronic disease, maybe it is a skin disease, how is that person's self-esteem will be? It is not certainly going to be high. It will be
Hmm.
down.
Yeah.
So disease has this ability to impact not on our physical aspect, but also our mental aspect.
Hmm.
Okay. So in coming days, we are going to discuss this in much elaboration so that people can understand how this technique will also help them to release their past traumas, their inner child traumas. This technique is wonderful. You don't need to learn other things. You just need to learn how you can take care of yourself, and your body will gift you the best gift you have ever gifted you.
Thank you so much, doctor. It's like really like gift. And this session is that too we are on live free. So my humble request to all the brothers, sisters, the little ones watching, do join, experience it, and see yourself. In case anything challenges, and we love challenges because our mission is to empower 1 billion people by 2030 using all these wonderful science and enjoy the powered life what is gifted to all of us. Doctor, I think with that we could say goodbye to our audience, brothers and sisters.
Yes,
We will meet
yes.
again on next Monday. Till then, you have our contact. Connect with us. Talk to you all again. Thank you, doctor, for your valuable time. Bye, everyone.